Hey my cookies, today I'll be showing you how I make Southern style stewed chicken. Let's cook. Starting with the chicken, I have one whole chicken that I cut up into 8 pieces, just the parts of the chicken. You can use boneless and skinless chicken, but I prefer the bones in this recipe because you get the most flavor. Also, you can use all thighs, all drums, all wings, totally up to you. It's just much cheaper to get a whole bird and cut it up yourself. Now, to this, I am going to season it. I am using onion and garlic powder and Cajun seasoning. I am also going to be using some poultry seasoning. No, it's not going to be too salty. Trust me, okay? This is the only time I will be seasoning this dish. And most of that is paprika anyway, so we good. All right, mix it all together. And now we can head on over to the stove. At my stove, in my wonderful old Magnalite pot, it's my favorite pot, I'm pouring in some vegetable oil and we're gonna get it good and hot. When it's heated up, we're gonna put our chicken in, skin side down first. We wanna get it nice and brown, and we're gonna do this 3 minutes per side. When it browns on one side, flip it over and be careful not to crowd the pot. I was thinking about adding another one now. No, okay. So we're just gonna do it in batches. So after 3 minutes, flip it over, give it 3 minutes on the other side. And we're gonna do this until all of our chicken has been browned. When all of our chicken is good and brown, set it aside. To that same pot and that oil that we have left over, I added in some butter. Yes, butter is gonna give a great flavor to that gravy. So allow it to melt. And as it's melting, I'm adding in my finely diced onion, bell pepper, garlic, and celery. And since I put it in my food processor and it's really finely diced, we don't need to saute it for long, only about 2 to 3 minutes, and you'll see how it just picks up all of that fond, that good chicken flavor from the bottom of the pot. So once that's done, we can go ahead and sprinkle in our flour. Now give it a stir, and we're going to stir it around for about a minute or until all of the flour has disappeared. When you no longer see the white flour, you know it's ready to go to the next step, which is pouring in our chicken broth. I'm going to pour that in, and y'all, I already know. Coop, what is going on? This looks a hot mess. Oh, okay, just stay with me. Bring that heat up. When it comes to a simmer, it's gonna be aight, okay? Just trust me. So stir until it heats up and that flour dissolves. And ta-da, you have chicken gravy. See, just trust me, I got you. So at this point, we can add our chicken back into the pot, lower the heat, put it on like 2 or 3, and we're gonna allow it to cook with the lid on top for about 1 hour. After that hour, that gravy has thickened, and baby, this chicken is falling off the bone, okay? So here, we can stop here, honestly. You can just allow it to continue to cook a little more so that chicken continues to fall off the bone, or you can do like me and add in some russet potatoes. I don't know what it is about it. My mom always did this. Those potatoes just suck up that chicken juice, and oh my god, it's so good in this recipe. So it's optional, but I highly recommend that you add the potatoes. Allow it to cook another 30 minutes to an hour until it's as tender as you like and those potatoes are completely cooked. And then guys, y'all already know what time it is. Grab your warm rice and pour that chicken and gravy on top and get your entire life. The recipe link will be down there in the description box. Thank you so very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I gotta eat, I gotta tear this up. So until next time, be blessed.